Hello, Internet. Welcome to Making Money. My name's Eric, and this is your Daily Dollar outside at night in the cold. I was chipping off some ice from the cars, and I realized that I still had to do a video. So we're doing a video out here. So, being on topic, today's lesson is about cold, hard cash. Yes, I know I'm not clever. But we've done a lesson already about money, what money is, different things that make up money, allow it to be traded and have value and all that fun stuff. And I had mentioned in a previous video that I don't like holding on to cash, that you should throw your money in a savings account, invest it, do something with it, don't keep it in cash. But I'm going to address that today and kind of talk about a little bit of the why. So the big thing here is inflation. Over time, a dollar bill loses value. And you can see this, excuse me, over decades and decades and decades. You know, the dollar now does not buy what it used to in, the 50s or the 40s or the 20s. So over time, dollar bills lose value. So this is the first main reason why I say, don't hold money in cold hard cash. The other being that you could lose it. It could go up in flames in a fire if something were to happen. It could be stolen. There's a lot of reasons why having cash is not the best idea. Now, I'm going to play devil's advocate here. There are a couple reasons you might want to keep cash. Obviously, when it comes to spending money, being able to physically have money that you can trade for goods and services, sometimes you don't have a digital means of exchanging currency. So obviously, that comes in handy when it comes to that kind of stuff. With our more digitalized society, that isn't as common, but it's definitely something that does happen. You still find places that don't accept cards, that they'll only accept cash. Besides that, I guess if you wanted to hedge against the banks, going bankrupt and losing all your cash, as long as you're FDIC insured when it comes to your savings accounts, you should be fine. There shouldn't really be a situation that you got to worry about. That being said, we don't know everything that will happen. So hedging is not a terrible thing. I just wouldn't keep a lot of money in cash. Because it definitely could, disappear on you without realizing it, or when you need it, and definitely you would realize it. But yes, so cold hard cash for today. Try not to keep a lot of it on hand. Don't stuff it in a shoebox and hide it under your bed. Put it in a high yield savings account or a CD or something where you can store it away for a large period of time if you don't need access to it right away. If you do need access to it right away, keep a little cash on hand, but not a ton. Okay, that's today's lesson. It's freaking cold outside because I'm gonna let you guys go. Hope you like this video. I'm freezing for you guys. I hope you're enjoying this series. If you are, feel free to subscribe. Always appreciate it. I'm interested in hearing, do you keep cash on hand? Have you stopped carrying cash? What amount do you normally keep on you? Maybe don't be too specific. That might be information you don't want to keep away. But yeah, I'd be interested in knowing if you hold cash on. And yeah, you can hit me up on Twitter, link in the description below, and I will see you guys tomorrow, probably inside, for more lessons. All right, guys. See ya.